Yo, Chevy Cash, Bring It to You, that boy, Variety, dig that. Listen to that nigga's lyrics, dig?
Can't stop me now. Yeah. Shit. I don't know what this fucking world is coming to. Expecting something looking at me like I owe you. I just so happen to be one of them out of a chosen few. Wasn't intentional, it's natural. Music is what I do. I put my heart in this, though it comes with other shit. The label threaten to drop me if I don't give them another hit. But I ain't giving this label shit, cause I don't wanna be here. I'm shitting on this label after this year. Game over. Thank God it wasn't a little baby in that baby stroller. Just a homeless woman that keep her cans inside a baby stroller. Wind it's blowing harder, temperature getting colder. Looking to get like we're wasted. Painful thoughts when I'm sober. Not enough laughter lately, ain't been too funny. Something ain't right, feel like they playing with my money. Side deals up under me, I thought this was for charity. Watch the people you dealing with, even in family where the devil be. Be careful what you signing, it's business, fucking rattlesnakes. I was moving too fast, now running the hard way. I should've made them prepay for this wordplay. This bullshit contract, I just been bushwhacked. Like I said, I don't really wanna be here. This supposed to be a good year, what a start to my career. I'm near, close to the edge, the tragedy would be severe. I don't live in fear, place my coffin on this fire. It appears that I'm done, but you can't see that clear. Watch out for that spear that just flew past your ear. Better strap up your headgear. This life I live sincere, kick back, watch my premiere. Ladies, loosen up your brassiere. Shakespeare when going at it, try not to rhyme, but it's a habit. On this mic I am a savage, causing nothing but damage. Even though it's a privilege for giving you up with this knowledge, I might help you get through high school, then send you off to college. I had a scholarship for college, should've did that. Now I'm in the music industry with these industry racks. I should've made them prepay for this wordplay, this bullshit contract. I'm just, be a lawyer, something. Start your own law firm. Don't be out here making babies. Use a rubber to catch that sperm. She said just let it burn. She wanted them girls after his turn, and his turn, then his turn. Who me? I just want some brain. She made me came and I came cause she made me come. Had no choice, she keeping it wet, working her head with that tongue and stroking it. I gotta admit, baby, you got it. Your mama taught you well, yeah. You have some good knowledge. Taking your mouth off my dick just to say you wanna fuck. Saliva running down my dick, hanging from my nuts. Get it. How many times can you lick? I believe in you, now you be brave, baby, catch it. Yeah, now swallow, don't let that good come cold to waste. Ooh, then tell me yes if I ask you like the way it tastes. Some girls be ready to take whatever you got to give, so I'ma put a hat on mine, try not to slip inside that hip. Be careful fucking with these groupies in this business. Flowing on that bitches, but could get you seasick. I should've made them prepay for this wordplay, this bullshit contract. I've just been bushwhacked.
Variety. Check that, nigga. Chevy Cash, G Committee, we out there. Bushwhack.